Hi! So today the inspiration for my artwork is right here in my yard. So let me take you around and let's have a look. So here's a bunch of very beautiful rhododendrons, and it's the only flowers we have in our yard, in our property. For right now, it's the rhododendrons that are in bloom. So that's going to be the inspiration for my artwork today. And I hope that you will find some inspiration wherever you can find it in nature today. Make your artwork about something in nature that inspires you. And for me, I love these flowers, and they're right close by, right in my yard. I'm going to do a life drawing of these. Lots of happy chirping birds. And that's our jungle back there, because we have a property that's, I think, almost an acre, and it is a lot of work to maintain. Beautiful. So I'm going to be intensely observing them while I draw them and take a bunch inside. So let's look over here on this part of my yard. And now, if you can see this walkway we have here. Oh no, look, see? The rhododendron have taken over, because my husband let a few years go by and was letting things go, and the rhododendron have taken over one of our walkways. And he's going to be taking care of that within the next few weeks. And then all the branches, it's a lot of work, and after he cuts them, the branches have to be taken to the furthest part of our yard in the back, and I'm going to show you this big pile. And we have some work over here to do too. He cut down a lot of weed trees right here, and I'll show you this is one of the pile of weed trees we have. So let's take a walk to the backyard. Here's a really nice sitting area we have. It's our outdoor fireplace with a sitting area. Our house is 185 years old. It's stucco. That's the original stucco. Really nice outdoor fireplace with a seating area, a grill, and right across from it, jacuzzi. Our 6-person jacuzzi. The most we've ever had in it was 4 people though. But usually it's just me and my husband in the jacuzzi. And I'm not going to show you the other part of my area until I have an after picture, because I do have a before picture, but now I need an after picture for some other parts of my yard. Let's see how the azalea are doing. Yeah, these ones aren't totally, they're on their way out. Then we take a walk back here. We have a trailer. 2-car garage, pathway to the further part of our backyard. We have like 3 sections to our backyard. If you're new here, please hit the red button to subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications of future videos. And now, that's one of our sheds. Here you can see the huge wood pile we have. This is all going to have to be removed. We're going to hire somebody to remove all this. These were all the weed trees that were cut down, branches and trunks of weed trees. It's a huge pile, such an eyesore, but we're going to be getting it removed once all the cutting is done. It's not done yet. It's burying a picnic table. That's an old picnic table we never used. And I'll see you later inside. So I brought a cutting of a rhododendron inside, and I am doing contour line drawing. And there's contour line drawing and there's blind contour line drawing. Blind contour line drawing means that you do not look at your paper at all. You look at the subject the whole time. But I'm not going to do that. But I am, instead of sketching, I'm going right ahead with a Sharpie marker, not even using a pencil, and doing what you call a contour line drawing, which I'm intensely observing my subject, which is the flowers, and nothing can be erased. And it's kind of like blind contour line drawing, because in blind contour line drawing, you do not erase anything, but you never look at your paper. So sometimes things don't match up and angles don't line up and stuff like that. But I just wanted to do a contour line drawing. So I'm just intensely observing the shapes of the flowers, the petals, everything. And with my vision disability, it is hard. I have to look at it more. I have to look at it up close, more up close than if you have normal vision. And I'm not sure if I'm seeing, even up close, I'm not sure if I'm seeing all the definition of the flowers, but I'm just doing the best I can. And I believe that's what you should do, is always just do the best you can and don't demand from yourself perfectionism. That's a real killer of creativity, to try to feel like you need to be perfect. That's a real, it just kills off creativity big time. So I am working in my art journal. I've already gessoed it gray. That's gray gesso. And I want it to just go across the two pages like in an artistic kind of way, like on a diagonal. And I first did this kind of drawing in college. It was really cool. That's, no, I think as a teenager, actually, I started doing this kind of drawing. I learned about this kind of drawing, contour line drawing. So you don't erase. You cannot erase the marker. And right now I'm not worrying about shading or anything. I'm going to do that. I'm going to add color later with the soft pastels. So it's just not like sketching. Sketching or a regular drawing with a pencil, yeah, you would keep erasing where you ever felt you made a mistake. But here it's kind of like, if you make a mistake, you can draw over it. But that's the whole point of blind contour drawing. You don't worry that you make mistakes. So I'm kind of doing a blend. Of contour line drawing and blind contour line drawing, because it doesn't matter if I make a mistake. I'm going to try to draw over it. And so I'm just going to let the music play for the the next few minutes, and I'll catch you on the flip side. So I'm showing you close-up shots of the finished drawing, and thank you so much for watching. And please check out other videos on my channel. I have a whole playlist of mixed media tutorials and digital art demonstrations and tutorials if you're interested in that. And right here at the end, there's a bunch of places where you can click and watch other videos on my channel. Thank you so much.